Hi everyone, welcome to Swahili Channel Bridge, your favorite place to learn Kiswahili. Esle internationally, my name is Johnny, and today we are going to learn a beautiful love in Kiswahili, perfect for couples and everyone who want to experience their feelings in this beautiful African language. Let's get started.
I am English.
I am Kiswahili.
I love you.
Nakupenda.
I miss you.
Ninakukosa.
You are beautiful.
Wewe ni mrembo.
Thanks.
Asante.
I need you.
Ninakuhitaji. Let's practice together.
I love you.
Ninakupenda.
You are beautiful.
Wewe ni mrembo.
You are my everything.
Wewe ni kila kitu kwangu.
My heart is yours.
Moyo wangu ni wako.
I want to be with you forever.
Nataka kuwa na wewe milele.
My love.
Mpenzi wangu. Moyo wangu.
Honey.
Asali wangu.
Darling.
Mpendwa.
I am in love.
Nimepata mpenzi.
This is my boyfriend.
Huyu ni mpenzi wangu.
We've been together forever.
Tutakuwa pamoja kwa muda wote.
I'm happy with him.
Ninafuraha kuwa na wewe. Great job. Now you know how to say romantic word in Swahili. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, share it with someone you love, and subscribe for more Swahili learning. Let love and remember, love sounds even sweeter in Swahili. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching.